All right, Nisha the PA, we are live.
Hey guys, it's Nisha the PA over here at Dr. Emer's office, and today we're doing one of my favorite treatments. You guys have heard me talk about this before, but this is the Pixel 8 by Aurora Aesthetics. Now, you guys know why I love these lasers. There's two different reasons. Number one, you can really address texture when it comes to your skin, and you can use it all over your body, right? So right now we're using it on the face. We're also doing the neck and the chest, décolleté area, but you can also use it on different parts of your body. I'm gonna have you turn a little bit to the left, and you guys will see this is what you expect during treatment. You have a little bit of pinpoint bleeding. Remember that the Pixel 8 by Aurora Aesthetics, it's microneedling with radio frequency. So I like to refer to it as microneedling on steroids. This is what you really want to do if you have texture issues. Why? Because you're going to get a lot better results. Now, the pinpoint bleeding you feel or you see right now on camera, that's going to go away really by the time I end treatment. As you can see on the rest of the other parts of her bodies, like her neck, on her chest, the pinpoint bleeding has already stopped. Let me get a little bit of a gauze. Perfect. The pinpoint bleeding has already stopped. I'm going to go over a little bit more to this area. Now, a lot of times patients ask me, Nisha, how does this feel? What am I to expect during treatment? Now, I just mentioned outside of the pinpoint bleeding, it is a little bit spicier on the forehead. It gets better as you move down to the other parts of the face, but it's a relatively quick procedure. You guys will see how quickly I'm able to move past her forehead, her mid-face, and then finish up her jawline to really tighten the area. Now, outside of texture and tone, Pixel 8 is also used for tightening. That's the other reason why I love the Pixel 8, because we can tighten the area and we can also fix texture. Foot piece running away from me. There we go. Thank you. Can you just put the foot on the end? Perfect. So I'm going to move her over a little bit to the right. Good. And we're going to finish up this side of her face. Now remember, a little bit spicier on the forehead because you don't have as much cushion up here. But as you move down to the mid-face, the neck, the décolleté area, it is a little bit more comfortable. Now, if you are very sensitive to pain, of course, there's things that we can do in the office to make the treatment a little bit more tolerable for you. We can do nerve blocks. Nerve blocks are great because then we can go pretty intense on the treatment, but you're really, really comfortable. Now that I'm moving from the upper parts of her face, I'm now going to move down to her mid-face. Maybe turn all the way to the left. Good, just like this. Now, I'm going to move on to the other reasons why I like the Pixel 8, right? We can fix texture, we can tighten the skin, all parts of your body, not just the face, not just the neck and the décolleté. We can really use it anywhere. The other reason why I really love the Pixel 8, because look how easy it is for me to change the depth at which I want to work. For other lasers or other devices, sometimes you have to go to the actual handpiece. You have to fumble around a little bit. But with the Pixel 8, it makes it really, really easy. I can control the device from here. Or I have a little handy-dandy foot pedal. These are my gold-plated needles.
Do you recommend a series of 3 treatments, Nisha the PA?
Of course. This is the thing about Pixel 8 is that you really want to do a series of 3, anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks apart. That's when you're going to get optimal treatments. You're going to get the optimal tightening. Now, of course, if you want to take it a step further, you can combine this treatment with other things that we offer in the office to really, really give you that tightening effect. For my beautiful patient tonight, what we did is Pixel 8 with a combination of threads. So that's why you see a little bit of this pulling here. That's the threads that's really tightening this area. You guys will be able to follow her journey and see her before and after photos and how kind of the big treatments all work together to really help her achieve her goal.
Nisha, one of our most frequently asked questions when we're doing Pixel is, what is the difference between this technology and Morpheus 8?
Now, that is a very great question. I really like to say that if you have more of skin laxity, essentially, Morpheus 8 is really good for skin laxity. But if you want to combine both skin laxity and improve your texture at the exact same time, then Pixel 8 is really the treatment that you really want to do. Either way, both treatments, we really recommend a series, right? You want to do anywhere starting at minimal 3 treatments, 4 to 6 weeks apart to really get the best benefit of each laser or whatever laser you decide to do. Now, guys, we're experts here at the office, so if you really want to see, well, is Morpheus 8 better for me? Is Pixel 8? What's the treatment plan? Nisha, what should I do? You guys know how to get in touch with us in the office. We can do an in-office or virtual consultation, and I can really give you a solid treatment plan depending on the things you want to address and the things you want to work on. Now the upper lip is a little bit spicy, but she's working past it really beautifully. And we're gonna go a little bit to the chin. This area can be a little spicy as well, but she's doing really, really good. Now remember, this is Pixel 8 by Roar Aesthetics. When we're talking about both increasing, I'm sorry, you're doing really, really good. When we're talking both about improving texture, increasing or improving the skin laxity, this is the perfect treatment for you guys.
What is the maximum depth of that technology? How deep can you go at the maximum setting?
Let's see, what's the maximum setting? 3.5. It's beautiful, guys. Maximum setting is 3.5. Now, of course, depending if you're in the right hands, you really know how to control the depth to really get this, really get the results.
Nisha, they want to know, is Bellafill or Radiesse better for male jawline sculpting?
It depends on what you want to achieve.
And if you want permanent results,
yes. Go ahead, tell them, Jordan.
You guys, Bellafill's a more long-term filler, guys. That's gonna last a lot longer, if not permanent, in you. And Radiesse, a different filler, guys. Everyone's a different candidate for different products. In order to find out what's best for you, send us a DM, full name, email, phone number. We'll have the team reach out to you.
But I really love when we do jawlines and chins in the office. Why? Because it's gorgeous. People really don't see how much they need a jawline or a chin until it's done. And they're like, oh my goodness, I look amazing. Now remember, if you want to magnify the effects of that very sharp jawline and chin, then Pixel 8 by Roar Aesthetics will be included in your treatment plan, because we are tightening the skin. And plus, remember, fillers is really for volume loss. So we can help add definition to your chin or jawline. And if we also tighten it at the exact same time with Pixel 8, you'll really get the best effects. All right.
I don't know what power setting we're at. Nisha's not going to tell you.
Oh my goodness. You guys trying to get Nisha the PA in trouble? All right. She's doing really, really good. We're going to finish up this Pixel 8. Look how quick it's going. This is the micro needling with radio frequency. This is really the treatment for you if you have texture, if you want to tighten the skin. No matter if you're younger and you kind of want to add collagen to the collagen bank, or you're a little bit older and you already have a little bit of skin laxity that you want to take care of, this is going to be the perfect treatment. Now remember, when we're talking about aftercare for doing something like the Pixel 8, skincare is the other half of what we do. You want to make sure that you have the correct products. So things are going to be, those type of skincare products that I recommend are going to be like our Emer Cosmetic. I'm talking about the foaming polish that's strong enough to wipe away debris, such as what you see on my beautiful patient tonight, but it's gentle enough to not overly strip her skin.
Do we double stamp here?
Doubles? Guys, are you guys trying to know my technique? Come into the office, get treatment, and then you'll figure it out.
All right, and what are we combining this with today?
So we are combining this with Moxie. This is our tight and bright. Why? Because Pixel 8 is going to help tighten, and then our Moxie will help brighten. You guys will see our Moxie in just a little second. We also combine this with threads for maximum tightening effect. We really wanted to go ahead and snatch her jawline, give her a super well-defined jawline here, bring all of the skin nice and taut to the back. Look how amazing she looks from her side profile. So right now we're using a combination of treatments. What we recommend in the office. It's not just about one treatment. It's combining the right amount of treatments together to give you the effect that you want or to achieve the goal that you have. I'm going to finish up with the Pixel 8 by Roar Aesthetics. Remember, it's micro needling with radio frequency. If you guys have any questions, you know how to get in contact with us in the office. Slide into the DMs, first name, last name, email address. Ask for a consultation with Nisha the PA. I would love to have you in the office or do a FaceTime call with you. Until next time, I'll see you guys then. Bye, guys. All right, I'm going to finish you up all the way to the right.